In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert Ethereum ETH to USDT on Trust Wallet. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Trust Wallet on your device. I apologize if the screen does go blank, it's just when you enter your passcode. If you're recording your screen, the screen blanks out. So once you're logged in and you're on this page, what you want to do is basically click the swap button at the top. And what you want to do is make sure Ethereum is in the top option. So you can see that's already selected up here. And you can see at the moment it's set to Bitcoin, but if you press onto this and in the search box, you just want to put USDT and you'll see we've got USDT at the top. So you just want to go ahead and select this and then choose how much you want to swap. So for example, if I put 3, it's going to tell me how much I'm going to get in return. So there is a fee for using this. As you can see, that's all down at the bottom. But if you're happy to go ahead, just click the blue preview swap button. Now it's come up with an error. That's just because I've not got any Ethereum. But what you would do is click onto preview swap and it would give you the full swap details. And if you're happy to go ahead, you can then go ahead and swap Ethereum for USDT. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.